To solve real-life conceptual simultaneous equation, first, the most important thing is to understand the question. The diagram shows a piece of empty land which is in the shape of right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Sarah plants some fruit trees on this piece of land. Given the longer side of the land is y meter, longer side is always the hypotenuse. And the other two sides of the land are x meter and 4x minus 4 meters respectively. So this is x, this is 4x minus 4. So we fence the lands with barbed wire. The barbed wire used is 56 meter long. So this is the perimeter. This Sarah, she fenced this land with barbed wire with a 56 meter long wire. So find the length in m of each side. So I know that the question says x plus y plus 4x minus 4 will give you a 56 perimeter long. Okay, I also know that y square equal to x square plus 4x minus 4 square. This is a hypotenuse formula. You know that when you learn in your form 3, this is a square, this is b square. To get c, this is c square. So c square will be equal to a square plus b square. This is your hypotenuse. So to find c, usually you will have to square root a square plus b square. Okay, so this is what you have. You have two equations. So let's simplify this equation first before we do. So this is what you have. I bring the number to one side or the unknown one to one side, and I know that I can make y in terms of x easily by this way. So this is 1, and I take this as 2. I know that y is 60 minus 5x. Just substitute into the 2 equation. So this is what I have now. And what I do is then expand this equation. So I know 60 squared gives me 3600. 60 times 5 times 2 will give me minus 600x, and negative 5x squared will give you positive 25x squared equal to x squared plus 4x. If you square it, you will get 16x squared. 4x times 4, 16 times 2 will give you minus 32x, and negative 4 squared will give you a positive 16. So let's bring all the equation to the left side. So you have 25x squared minus x squared minus 16x squared minus 600x plus 32x plus 3600 minus 16 equal to 0. So you will have 8x squared here minus 568x plus 3584 equal to 0. So in this case, I can simplify the whole equation by dy 8. This will give me x squared minus 71x plus 448 equal to 0. And I can do factorize from here. If you can't do factorize because of big number, you can use your calculator to get the answer. And I know this is 64, this is 7. So in this case, I will have x equal to 64, x equal to 7. And I can't accept 64 because it can't be that long, because of the total of this length is only 56 meter long. This is 64 is even more. So I can only accept x equal to 7 meter. So when I know x equal to 7 meter, I can substitute into this y equation to get my y answer. So I know that my y will be 25. So x will be 7 meter, y will be 25 meter. So in this case, you are required to find the length in m of each side of the length. So you know that x here, the length here is 25 meter, and I know the y here is 25 meter. I'm sorry, this is 7 meter. So this is 7 meter. Okay. And how about this side? This side I will use 4x minus 4. So your x is 7. Substitute your 7 into the x. 28 minus 4 will give you a 24. So you know that this is 24 meter. Alright, so you just write it down in one side. You know the length of each side will be 7 meter, 24 meter, and 25 meter at the hypotenuse. So this is the answer.